Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to sort WooCommerce product using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet. Then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop to select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see sort by date, so you can add other variable for sorting. Now you see, so you can add menu order, popularity, rating, date, price, price descending order, and random product every time. So currently we added date. Now back to code and you will find code in video description or in comment section. So you can add variable according to requirement in code and you will find this all variable in video description or in comment section. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. Now you see this is our current order. Now refresh the page. Now you see product sort by date. Now back to code and then you see date and you can sort product according to requirement. So you can add any variable and you can sort product according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.